Okay, so what if I told you that you could build a fully playable 3D game, like an actual game with enemies, missions, and a win condition, without writing a single line of code, no Unity, no Unreal Engine, no programming degree, just you, your ideas, and a text box. That's literally what I did today, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's dive in. So I came across this platform called Kubee. It's an AI game creation tool, and it's now available to everyone. And the whole idea is that you just type what kind of game you want, and the AI builds it for you. They're calling it vibe coding, and honestly, that's exactly what it feels like. I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step, so stick around. Alright, step 1, getting in. Head over to Kubee.ai. Since Kubee is now open to explore, you can sign up and start using it right away. And if you want to learn more or get the latest updates, you can check out the official Discord and website linked in the description. You might want to take a look before continuing. And good news, right now they're giving out free tokens to build your games. So it costs you literally nothing to try this. 0. Free. I don't know how long that's going to last, so honestly, the sooner you get in, the better. Okay, so once you're logged in, this is what you see. And I love how clean this is. There's no overwhelming dashboard, no complicated menus to figure out. Right in the center of the screen, there's a big text field that says, "Type anything to create games with zero barrier." You can also browse games that other people have already created. There's a feed showing hot games and new games. And honestly, just scrolling through that is pretty inspiring. You've got roguelikes, visual novels, endless runners, strategy games, all built by regular people who probably can't code either. It really shows you what's possible. Okay, let's create our own game. After coming to the prompt box, we have to enter our idea. For this video, I kept it straightforward. I typed, "Create a cinematic cyberpunk action, adventure, and mission-based game." It should contain several tasks to complete a mission, and then enter the next mission. The user experience should be smooth with great 3D visuals. The story is set in a cyberpunk city. You can go as detailed or as simple as you want. Once you've typed your idea, hit Create Now, and let's see what happens. After you hit Create Now, Kubee doesn't just immediately start building. It asks you a few quick questions first. And this is actually really smart, because it helps the AI understand exactly what you're going for. First question, 2D or 3D? Now both options are solid, but I went with 3D enhanced because I wanted to push it and see what the AI could really do with a more complex format. And then it moves to the next step, choosing your creation mode, which is basically the quality level. I went with high quality because, honestly, if I'm going to test this thing, I want to see its best work. Hit confirm one more time, and now the AI gets to work. This is the part where you just sit back for a moment. The AI is literally writing the game logic, building the environment, setting up the enemy behavior, the controls, the win and lose conditions, all of it, in real time. And then, it's done. I'm not going to lie. The first time this happened, I just sat there for a second because I genuinely didn't expect it to look like this. On the left side of the screen, I've got a live preview of my game. On the right, the AI gives me a full breakdown of everything it built. And I'm reading this like, okay, there are 10 enemy soldiers that patrol the map, detect me, chase me, and shoot back. WASD movement, mouse aiming, left click to shoot. All of that, from one sentence I typed. That's wild to me. Alright, and it's really working. I can't believe that I just created this game. Now here's something I really want to highlight, because this is what makes Kubee different from just a one-shot generator. See this chat panel on the right side? You can keep talking to the AI after your game is built. If something feels off, the difficulty is too hard, you want to change the environment, add a new mechanic, you just tell it. Once you're happy with how everything feels, you can hit the publish button right from the interface. Your game goes live and anyone can play it directly in their browser. No downloads, no installs needed on their end either. Okay, so let me be real with you for a second. Is Kubee perfect? No. There are moments where you'll need to go back and tweak things through the chat. Maybe a mechanic doesn't feel quite right, or the visuals aren't exactly what you pictured. That's normal, it's just getting started. But here's what I'll say. For visual novels and gameplay logic especially, the quality of what Kubee produces is genuinely some of the best I've seen from any AI game tool right now. And the fact that the whole thing is free right now, runs in your browser and requires zero technical knowledge, that's a pretty big deal. The barrier to game creation has never been lower. So if you've ever had a game idea sitting in the back of your head, a concept you always thought was cool but never built because you couldn't code, This is your sign to just go try it. If you're interested, you can check the official Discord in the video description to learn more and get access. It takes about 2 minutes to get in, and you can have a playable game running the same day. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe because I'm going to keep testing tools like this and showing you exactly what they can do. See you in the next one.